All right, here we are. We are at Mustang Ridge Estates. This is lot 36. Welcome to Heritage Builders. As you can see here, we have gone ahead and put in all the formwork for the concrete for the foundation. All the plumbing is also now in. You can see that we've put plastic over the top of all of the foundation forms and stuff like that, and all of the rebar and other metal is there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just taking a quick glance here from right to left. We got Darren Freeman here of Heritage Builders. Darren, why don't you kind of give us a quick
everybody.
rundown?
A rundown? You kind of already gave them a rundown. That's pretty much what it is in a nutshell. We're getting ready to pour concrete first thing Friday morning. All the rebar's in, the inspections, plumbing inspections are all done. We got the city inspector for the pre-pour, which they'll come out and inspect all the rebar, inspect the depths of all the trenches. And then we have our engineering company that they'll also be doing a pre-pour inspection. They'll be doing that later this afternoon. And other than that, it's ready to pour.
So I know we were talking about this a little bit offline here, but we were talking about sandbags and stuff like that. Why would we be putting sandbags or anything like that into a foundation here?
Well, this is all fill material, so we're 5 foot high on the end of the slab. So when you start the slab over in the corner over here, we're 12 inches out of the ground. By the time we get all the way over to that end of the house, we're 5 foot out of the ground. So you have to have some way to hold the fill material in. So you sandbag the edges of the fill material so that you have an area for the concrete walls to be placed. And dirt and soil, you can't just cut a wall on it because it'll just cave in. So you got to have the sandbags to put in place to hold it. It's just an inside form for the concrete and for the fill material to hold it in place.
I see. Now, I just kind of looking at the foundation, you can see there's lots of looks like trenches that you get dug out here in between all of those in between forms that are there. What are those for?
Those are our engineered beams. So the exterior beam, you can see, it also has an exterior beam that goes all the way around the entire project, and that is cut into virgin soil, so it goes 12 inches below the standard surface of the soil when we start. The interior beams are only required on this particular slab to be 26 inches deep, so we cut them out to typically about 30 inches deep, and those are all engineered so that those beams run continuously all the way through the entire house slab, both directions. And those beams with the outside footers and all the rebar, that's the structure of your home. That's why these things last forever. They got a lot of rebar in them, and there's a lot of concrete in those beams.
I see here you got what looks like small concrete blocks underneath all that rebar. What's all that for?
Yes, you got to have separation between the rebar and the actual material underneath where the plastic is. So it just holds your rebar in place in the center of the slab of the concrete.
So that reinforces it, so that way it's not like you've got a few inches of concrete more so on the top than on the bottom. You're really putting that rebar in between the middle of that concrete.
It holds it in the center. Yes, you want it approximately in the center of a 4-inch slab, but you don't want it laying on the bottom. It doesn't do anybody any good if it's laying on the dirt.
Got it.
So that holds it up to where it's inside the actual concrete. And then you can see the forms around the garage. So we pour these as a monolithic pour, so everything is poured at the same time. Your garage slabs, your porch slabs, they're all poured at once. So the inner forms that you see inside here, those are your front. You got your front porch over here, your back porch over here. If you didn't see me, the front porch is over on the left.
Yep.
And then you have, don't fall, Elliot.
No, I'm trying.
So the front porch is over here on the left, the back porch is back here, and you can see the inner forms that are forming your flat slab. They have to do those separate because we drop those down for I guess it's not really an obvious reason, but we have to drop them down so you don't want rain coming right into your house. So you have that ledge on there to protect water and things from coming in. Plus, that slope there's going to be a slope on those porches to drain water away from the house when rainwater comes in on. The garage is the same way. From that garage form in there on the inner part of the house to where we're standing, there's going to be approximately 4 inches of fall in that garage. So when you come in the wintertime or after a rainstorm and your car's all wet, all the water's going to run out towards the door.
Got it. That makes sense. Now, do you take the same level of interest into the outbuildings as well? Because I see you got an outbuilding over here.
Yes, that is a garage slash workshop, and yes, it's got the same amount of rebar in it. It's got the footers all the way around, cut down 12 inches into virgins, so we treated that just like the house slab.
Interesting. Well, so there you go, folks. We're expecting to pour concrete on this particular job site, hopefully this coming Friday. Does that sound right?
That is correct. Be here at 5 in the morning.
All right, so tune in next time, folks. We will be here 5 o'clock in the morning. It'll be a little bit dark. We'll get the lights up so you can see what's going on. But we'll have the concrete truck show up, and they'll start pouring concrete on here, and you get to see how that part of the home construction goes. In the meantime, thank you for visiting Heritage Builders. Make sure that you click on the like button and subscribe down below, and we will continue to give you more stories as they come along.
See y'all next time.
Thank you.